Welcome. If you're using Instagram on your PC and want to stay on top of every like, comment, and message, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to find your notifications page on the Instagram app for PC, following the most recent update. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Instagram app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and sign in to your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a vertical menu with several icons, each representing a different part of Instagram. Next, focus on the notifications icon. With the new update, this icon is now conveniently located on the left menu. It usually looks like a heart or a bell, making it easy to spot among the other options. Click on this icon to proceed. After clicking, you'll be taken straight to the notifications page. This is your hub for all recent activity on your account. Here, you can browse through updates about new followers, likes on your posts, comments, mentions, and direct messages, all in one organized feed. The notifications page is designed to keep you informed about everything happening with your profile, so you never miss out on important interactions. Take a moment to scroll through your notifications. You'll notice that each alert is clearly displayed, making it simple to review your latest activity and respond if needed. Whether you're managing a personal account or running a business page, this streamlined notifications page helps you stay connected and engaged with your audience. That's all there is to it. By opening the Instagram app, clicking on the notifications icon in the left menu, and browsing the notifications page, you'll always be up to date with what's happening on your account. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide. Enjoy your Instagram experience on PC and stay connected with your community.